gosh, it sounds so...
Wait, hey, stop playing Pokemon. You're on the clock, brother.
Hi everyone, we're here today at the Fremont Skate Park for an episode of You Make It, We Skate It. The episode in which you make us things and we skate the things.
Yes.
Isn't that right, JD? Yeah. Here, we have a box.
Oh, shoot, you just knocked YouTube in the face.
Wait, is this okay? Will it break?
Catch it!
Oh, I caught it!
You had one job.
One job.
Okay, well,
You had one job.
I just tilted something, I don't know. I pressed a button and then now something's going on.
Can I see?
Yeah, it's just a display.
Whoa.
And that is why I am in front of the camera.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this box open.
Have you ever seen those?
No. Dude, I accidentally cut the...
Okay, never mind. I don't need
Hold
to
that
show
thought,
it.
JD. Maybe we need to get a box cutter.
Do we have 2 videos in one right now?
Well, we have 1.5 now because you just broke one of them.
Yeah, you're right.
This one.
Here we go.
Oh, let's go. This is the one I wanted.
What is it?
You'll see.
All right, you go ahead and read the note.
Hey, Braille team. My name is Clemens Mayer. Ooh, he's a mayor.
Speak with your chest, boy.
And I'm a sponsor maker from the Lower Austria area. Ooh, I want to go to Austria.
Let's go.
Okay. And today I'm sending you maybe the world's first transparent trucks.
Whoa.
Okay. These trucks are an open source design by the fantastic 3D designer Daniel Norrie. I have 3D printed them with my own extremely impact resistant resin called Mayer Makes Engineering Resin.
Whoa, he sent us some.
Let's go.
Dude, I want to make a guitar out of it. That'd be sweet.
If I could make anything out of this resin, I would make myself a friend.
Yeah, he'll still won't like you though.
That was me.
That was pretty mean, I'm sorry.
Any conventional resin will just shatter under the load of an ollie, but I want you to find out how much it takes to break them. Be aware that the nuts and bolts are all metric M8 in case you want to print more trucks. Oh, okay. We can print more trucks if we want to.
I've got to go. There's another project waiting for me. Mayor Makers, ideas, products, content.
I thought you were holding it like this, so I thought it said MFI.
MFI.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, JD, go ahead.
Okay, while I want to see if you guys are able to pull off some amazing tricks on these homemade trucks, I've also included a 1 kilogram bottle of the same material.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
If you or someone maybe a local makerspace has a resin 3D printer, you could 3D print even more crazy skate gadgets with this stuff. Oh, okay.
If you have any idea of what you can make us in resin, leave it in the comments below, and then we will read the comments, and then you can make it for us.
Can I make a Pikachu?
A Pikachu?
Like a Pikachu
train.
I like that.
Yeah.
All right, JD, can you finish the note,
Okay,
dude?
thanks to Skateboarding Makes It I'm back on the board after 16 years of break. We started at age 31, now 35, with the goal of landing a heel flip in 2022, which would make it my second land after I did one in 2002.
Dang.
I'm making electric DIY videos on YouTube. Should I read the whole link name? https://www.youtube.com/c/element14present. You can find me on the socials as Mayor Makes. Thanks for all the shenanigans, Clem.
That's really sick. These are really cool. I haven't even seen
What
the
is
full
it?
thing yet. Look at this!
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow.
Oh man,
Those are pretty legit, actually.
I've never seen anything quite like
You know,
this.
I have a
my
bar of
life.
soap that looks like this.
They're showering me with particles.
Pivot cup.
Dude, this is insane. I've never seen a truck like this before.
So are the
truck
bushings
doesn't
made
go
of the
like
same
this.
material, or are they just regular bushings?
The bushings are regular bushings,
Okay,
yeah.
that makes sense.
Dude, this is insane looking.
Yeah, but how's it taste?
I've always wanted glass trucks, and this is the closest I think we'll have. Do not eat that, JD.
How does it taste, JD?
Make him eat it. Here.
He already did
Tastes
it.
like nothing.
You can taste it. I
Go
want to
ahead.
smell it.
You go ahead.
Let me hear it.
Actually
It's very
smells
quiet.
good.
Does it
Mine
skate
smells
good though?
like
That's what we're gonna find out today. So I'm excited. I'm gonna warm up and then we're gonna put these on.
You see what's crazy about that, JD, is the second you put the wheels on, then you will not have to worry about that anymore.
No, I don't think that's supposed to happen actually. Look at this one.
Well, you know what? If I wanted to have a bad attitude, I would have a bad attitude.
Your
But-
attitude
but I
sounds
don't.
kind of bad right now.
First durability test.
Sir, you just broke it. You just broke it. Good job.
Should I drop it?
No way. All right, fine. Go ahead. Did it
Oh,
survive?
we're chilling
All right,
then.
Chris, you go warm up. We will build this.
Look at my grip job, very beautiful. It had like 30 air bubbles earlier, but you know, I just know how to fix it.
This is the greatest grip job you've ever seen. Leave it in the comments below.
Oh,
Oh.
almost did that. I needed
Sorry, I wasn't over there. Phase 1, find wheels. You guys, I want you to leave your comments below. What do you think is going to happen to these resin trucks? Do you think they're going to survive, Do you think they're going to break the second Chris McNugget steps on it and tries to do an ollie? Do you think it will survive Chris McNugget but break when Ricky rides on it? Leave it in the comments below. We want to see what you have to say. Pause the video if you have to. We want to hear it. Oh my God, this is so cool. Someone make a compilation of Glow doing his whoa. What is it again? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yep, that's what we should do. Look at how cool this looks, dude. Uh-oh, we got a little bit of a problem here, dude. This side of the axle is long enough to actually get the bolt like in there, but the other side is not. Why is this not tightening? Oh, I think you have to tighten both sides. Oh, I hope I'm not breaking them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about as good as we're gonna get. I don't know what is happening. The science is profound. I'm already seeing a couple pressure cracks in here, which is not good, but we're gonna make it work. The sun is out and shining. I'm getting a sunburn on my neck already.
Look at these bushings. These are the coolest bushings I've ever seen.
Those are the coolest bushings he has ever seen.
Look at it. You see that marbling?
All right, we have to be very smart about this.
Is that George Washington?
Nope. All right, this is going to work. The number one thing about life is that sometimes you just have to manifest things. Yep. And right now, I'm manifesting that these break into 1 million pieces. Wheels are on. Check them out. Really interesting. All right, let's go ahead and get these on. Oh no! No! Oh, they're the size for longboards, not for a regular board.
Where's your longboard, Gabe? Go get your longboard.
Fork! All right, well, luckily, with every problem, Jay Dizzler, comes a solution. All right, guys, here we are. The trucks are assembled. They're ready to go. And dude, they were so loose, I had to tighten them, and that is as tight as I could possibly get them.
Whoa, these are still ultra loose.
That's what I mean. That's as tight as I could get them.
Okay. Where the odds at ollie?
Maybe just do like, roll down some banks, drop in maybe. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
All right, let's go, drop in.
All right, I gotta get it. Let me get a close-up shot so we can show people what this looks like.
I think the craziest part is just being able to see through that.
I know, right? Oh!
Okay.
Oh my goodness. You know, my dream, Mo, is glass trucks, and this is the closest we've ever gotten to that dream.
Yeah, this is looking great.
I'm gonna ollie the 5.
Ollie the 5, straight to it?
Should I?
No.
No?
Maybe go to the flow bowl?
I don't know. With these loose trucks, I'm probably gonna fall on it.
Brother, you are the lightest one. You're the only chance we have. JD, we've skated so many more difficult things. You got it. Do they feel like they're, or maybe even just like the mini bowl?
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Do you feel like they're flexing or close to breaking or anything like that?
They feel fine.
They feel fine.
Oh my gosh, except for the fact that you get instant wheel bite. All right, I want to see how it grinds.
Here, you can do it on this side.
Yeah, I'm across.
How are they holding up, Rick?
Looks all right. JD
so, right?
passed the test.
Oh my God, oh, Kingpin!
Oh, that sounded not good.
Does it feel like it's gonna break?
No!
Oh!
Get the blunt fakie.
Dude, these trucks are loose. It actually grinds kind of well. Kickflip.
Uh-oh. Are they all right? Are they all right?
Yeah, they're fine. Oh, let's see. Whoa! Oh, wait, no, that was like that.
Yeah, you know what I think is the most likely to break is this piece right here, the pivot cut part.
Yeah, or, yeah. Bro, this wheel bite.
You're literally the only one here who could ride it.
Bro!
Man.
Bro!
So far, you would say that metal trucks are superior to resin trucks, correct?
Yep. Oh my God, that was the slowest kickflip.
Take a breath, JD. Calm down.
That was cool. All right, right here.
Remember that you write your own story.
Okay. I write my own story.
Did you mean to write the tic tac into your story?
Yep.
Well done, brother.
What are the odds I do a hard flip right now?
What are the odds you do a hard flip? 0.
All right.
What are the odds you do double flip?
You gotta buy me a Pikachu if I land pressure
What is
hard
a
flip.
Pikachu?
You'll see.
How much is a Pikachu?
I think it's like $5.
All right, deal.
Wait, let me see.
Have you ever heard of a Pikachu?
No, but did you see the streamer that lit a Pikachu
Yeah,
fire?
I did! Bro just lit his whole house on fire.
If I land the pressure hard flip, then you owe me a Pikachu.
No, double kickflip for Pikachu.
Oh, that's even easier.
What?
Yeah.
No, wait.
Right here for Pikachu.
Oh!
Yes, I got a Pikachu! Oh, he still owes me Pickle's cage too, because I forgot to ask him for it.
All right, I think we can start putting it through some stress tests, JD.
Should we ollie the 5?
Let's start small. Let's like ollie off the curb first. All right, stress test number 1.
Oh!
All right, how is it?
Pretty good.
All right, and then I think the next test maybe is roll off that.
Yeah. Wait, I gotta show Chris the Pikachu.
Bro, I'm gonna have nightmares again, dude.
I told you. I told you.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, that didn't sound good, dude. That didn't sound good at all. There's a little chip, but it's not like...
It got bigger, right?
Oh, yeah, it is getting bigger. Dang it.
Should we ollie the 5 stair?
Yeah, I guess we can go for the 5.
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna break, to be honest.
I don't think it's gonna break out.
Not on the 5, maybe on the 7, but not on the 5.
We're gonna put this boy to the ultimate, these trucks to the ultimate test.
Godspeed.
Oh my gosh, it sounds so bad, but it holds up so good. Any more damage?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
Nothing, dude. Whatever resin he invented is just amazing.
What is resin even used for?
A lot of things.
Did it break?
You guys
No, it didn't.
Ah! Ew! These feel terrible.
This is a you make it, we skate it, Dan.
Why?
Someone made.
Oh, I mean, sorry, it was-
their valuable time and effort making these for us.
I think, you know what, it's just the bushings, that's all. It's not the trucks, I don't think.
Where are you going?
The bump thing, if I make it there.
No! Dan, no!
What happened?
I didn't even get to film it!
What happened?
What did you do?
It just dropped in.
Oh my
No!
goodness.
You're
Not
fired.
again.
You're fired.
Yo, I got
This is
duct
the first 5
tape.
minutes you're here and you do this, Uzi? Come on, bro.
Uzi, you break.
All right, well,
trying to
my
drop
plan was, wait, didn't JD skate it in the bowl?
He's been skating it the whole time.
I was gonna go like this. I was gonna drop in.
Thank you. I'm saved.
I was gonna drop in and then go up on that rainbow thing and hit the brakes and go and stop and then go again. But
Where did it break?
yeah, everywhere. We got any Gorilla Glue?
That's interesting.
Look at the mark. Look at the mark you left. You left a snail trail of resin. Man, what the heck happened? How did it?
How did it break like that? I don't understand.
It looks like it's like attached to the actual bushings too,
Wait, can I
or
get a
something.
breakdown here? Let's see.
Yeah, what is happening here?
There must be a weight limit on this because JD skated this perfectly
You
fine.
double flipped it. Took it down to 5.
Maybe I'll snap.
You know what happened is the resin is attached to that metal bolt thing that goes into the bottom, and it literally just ripped out the whole base.
Oh wait, that's attached?
Yeah, look.
Maybe that's why it doesn't turn.
Because look, that is interesting.
Wait, this isn't a bushing or it is?
No,
a
it is, but I think it's all attached through this little bolt right here.
Interesting. Well, that's why it doesn't turn.
Hey, well, I mean, JD got kickflip, double flip, he ollied the 5. You know, we have some of the resin he actually makes there. Maybe we can actually fix this, or maybe he can take whatever happened in this video, figure out what he can do to make them a little stronger so they don't separate like this,
This is.
and then we run it back.
Sanding.
Oh wait, I think that's the other one.
Yes. Yes.
Don't break the other truck.
Yes. Yes.
promises, JD.
Yes. Yes. Let's go. You could write your name. It's like chalk.
It slides. I might be wrong, but I think that's supposed to say there's a contest.
Oh.
Did you risk it all?
Oh man. Oh my God! They did it again! They did it again!
Must be something the way that your weight distributes when you drop
Dude,
in.
no way!
I just really thought it was gonna work. That's so interesting. It's just if you drop in, it just breaks.
Look it.
The literal exact same brake is the last
I
one.
never would have thought that was gonna happen. I see Uzi's confusion.
Now we are all confused together.
I mean, it does feel pretty strong.
Hey, well, a huge thanks to Clemens for making these 100% resin trucks for us. Hey, it's really interesting doing videos like this, especially when you take trucks made out of different materials. You get to see why metal is such a structurally important aspect of skateboarding, because when you're skating resin, you drop in and they break. So if you happen to know why this happened and you can enlighten us and help us understand, leave it in those comments below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like. If you have any You Make It, We Skate It submissions that you want to send us, go ahead and email us right here, skate it@brailleskateboarding.com, and we'll see you in the next video.